Okay, so in this video, I'll be showing you how to use Mog's Chrono engine uh, to level up your attacks, skills, and weapons. And yeah, so yeah, Mog's Chrono engine by default, ABS mode, action battle system. I don't know, but it doesn't really work out for me, and I can't really get it to work. So I found a way that does work, and honestly, I think it works better. And I'll show you how to do it. So this is how you're gonna level up your moves and stuff. So this is how it will look. If you want to make you can make a side scroller, top-down view, action RPG, whatever you want. But in this example, I made a side scroller, and I'll show you kind of how it and show. Now I want to show you. That's kind of how it would be. You can have animations and level up those attacks and stuff like that. So first what you want to do is to level up your character. First you're gonna need the Mox Chrono engine. Set the ABS mode to 1, the battle mode to 1 for ABS mode. Then you're gonna need you'll need the event sensor. You'll need to put in common events. You'll need the smart jump if you want to jump. And you're gonna need this one. Allows you to run common events when the actor levels up. Now this is gonna be the way you can level up your attacks. You don't have to do this way, but this way works pretty good if you're trying to make like a action RPG. But you don't have to do it this way. You can also just find, or you can just make it so you find items that level up your attacks. But this way works kind of good. Works pretty good. So for this way, I'm going to show you it works for this way. So you need Heim's level up events. Then you go to your character and you put it like this. You'll need this little script in here, the note tag with these brackets, and you put the common event you want here. And so when I level up him, so in the enemies, you'll give them experience stuff like experience would be here, and you'll set the experience to whatever. And then you go back to your actors and classes. I think, yeah. Whatever experience it needs, you put the common event here, and when he hits that level, it will go to this common event. And then you can level up your attacks that you want to level up here. And the way to do it is with skills. So, at each one of your attacks, you would put the variable here in the formula under HP damage and V bracket and your variable number here. So, and then before you level up, you'd have to do this. You have to the first area and where you're going to start in your game, you have to make sure that you put a parallel event and you add that variable for each attack, and you add the damage. Where you add the damage for that attack is single add consistent 11. That's the damage, and then you would want to turn this event off with the self switch because you don't want these attacks to keep going and going. If you don't turn it off, then the numbers will just keep going. But if you do this, it'll hit it once and then it'll turn off. So You're gonna need that. Make sure you do that before anything. Then you can have multiple attacks if you set them to your button commands. So, the way you do that is common events, and if you press A, Sub-Zero will do this, or whatever your character is. You will do a punch, go to the tool map, wait, and then go back to its regular stance. And if you want to have another attack with him, you would set it to S or whatever. And then this is for S, I put this for magic attacks. And now you see when he does S, he does this. Does a different attack. And then you can see you can make it cost magic if you want magic, if it wants to cost magic. See, it's MP cost 10 magic. And then the way you'll level up those attacks is you will need to get the variable in your level up common event. Level up common event 12. Every time you hit a level up, you would want to get your variable, whatever it is. Sub-Zero hit. For me, it's that. Yeah. And then you would go add, and you'll add whatever you want. And yeah, that's how you level it up. And there's a way to make it a randomized system, but that's a little bit more steps. And I'll probably make that, but another video maybe if people want that. But probably not too hard to figure out. But you can make it randomized. You don't have to make it just before. I think you can do it random with this. But I never did that, so I don't really know how to do it. But I think here's how you would make it random in there. But this is just for like a certain number. Every time you level up, that attack would be +4 damage. And if you want to, and then you do other attacks like every time he levels up, maybe his HP will increase. You can do max HP here, and then you can do max MP. Then you can do other attacks, of course, like his ice slide here, and then I'll add it like 8 or whatever. Now whenever he levels up, you'll do that, and you can also like add like a sound when he levels up. So when he levels up, you can add a sound, and yeah, that's pretty awesome. And that's how you would make a level up system for the ABS mode that actually works good. And you can actually switch between skills and stuff like that. And you can switch between animations and stuff too, and switch between multiple characters. So you can see how this way works a little bit more better than the original system that Mog Chrono engine created. So it works a little bit better than the original system. Actually, a lot better in my opinion. But the anyways, that's it for this video, and yep, that's all for this video.